So assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to our new channel. So in this channel we are going to cover the topic of flu and other topics, some health related topics. So make sure कि आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लेना है और बेल आइकन को भी दबा देना है ताकि जब भी हम अपनी न्यू वीडियो कोई भी अपने चैनल पर अपलोड करें तो आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन रिसीव हो जाए। और तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं जी आज का हमारा टॉपिक। इन typical year, flu season occurs from fall to early spring, and with it comes sniffling, sneezing, coughing, fatigue, and all the familiar trappings of the flu. The severity of the illness varies by person, but the COVID-19 pandemic lends a new urgency to protecting ourselves while both of these viruses surge in the coming months. Shots are always important, but they are even more important this year to protect the population and especially vulnerable groups from getting flu while COVID-19 is still a threat. What's the difference between a cold and the flu? The common cold and the flu may seem similar at first. They are both respiratory illness and can cause similar symptoms, but different viruses cause these two conditions. Your symptoms can help. Your symptoms can help you tell the difference between them. Both a cold and the flu share a few common symptoms. People with either illness often experience runny and stuffy nose, sneezing, body aches, and general fatigue. As a rule, flu symptoms are more severe than cold symptoms. Another distinct difference between the two is how serious they are. Colds rarely cause other health conditions and problems, but the flu can lead to sinusitis, ear infections, pneumonia, sepsis. If your symptoms are severe, you may want to confirm either a cold or a flu diagnosis. Your doctor will run tests that can help you determine what's behind your symptoms during the COVID-19 epidemic. Call ahead for the protocol on visiting a doctor in person or having an online visit. Cold and flu symptoms should also be treated with care due to their overlap with COVID-19 symptoms. If your doctor diagnoses a cold, you will only need to treat your symptoms but until the virus has run its course. These treatments can include using over the counter cold medication, staying hydrated, getting plenty of rest. तो मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।